In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a newsletter to your Shopify store. This is a quick and easy way to keep your customers engaged and informed about your latest products, special offers, and updates. So let's dive right in. First, you'll need to log into your Shopify account and navigate to your store's homepage. Once you're there, the next step is to locate and click on the Online Store option in your Shopify admin panel. This is where you make most of the visual tweaks to your store. Clicking here will open the themes page where you can manage the design and layout of your store. Now, once you've accessed the themes page, look for the Customize button. Clicking on Customize will allow you to open the theme editor, which is a handy tool for adjusting the look and appearance of your site without needing to write any code. The theme editor is user-friendly and is a fantastic way to personalize your store to suit your brand's identity. After opening the theme editor, you're going to want to focus on the footer section of your site. The footer is typically a place where visitors look for additional information like contact details, social media links, and, of course, newsletter sign-up forms. So scroll through the sections on the left sidebar of the editor and click Add Section. From the list of sections, select Email Sign-up. This will add a new section to your footer where customers can easily enter their email addresses to subscribe to your newsletter. Once the email sign-up section is added, you'll want to customize it to make it appealing and engaging. Click on Heading to enter a catchy title that will grab the attention of your visitors. It can be something like Stay in the Loop or Subscribe for updates. You'll want to make your heading reflective of your brand's voice, something that resonates with your audience. After setting the heading, the next step is to add some informative or persuasive text by clicking on Text. This space is where you can tell your visitors what they can expect from subscribing to your newsletter, like exclusive deals or insights into upcoming product launches. Craft a message that genuinely reflects the value they'll receive. Finally, ensure your email form is functional by clicking on Email Form. This simply confirms that your setup is complete and ready to start collecting emails. The form should be straightforward, requiring just an email address, which lowers the barrier for entry and encourages more people to sign up. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to keep in touch with your existing and potential customers by adding a newsletter sign-up form to your Shopify store. If you follow these steps, you'll have a seamless setup that can help boost engagement and drive sales. Remember, growing your email list is an ongoing task, so keep offering value to ensure those subscribers stay happy and engaged. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more Shopify tips and tricks.